Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and the charts to help you understand market trends and make informed trading decisions. Today, September 23rd, 2024, we're diving into Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, and analyzing its price action against the US dollar. Recent headlines indicate Ethereum is experiencing a bullish trend, with its current weekly rally of 11% marking its largest gain in Q3. This surge has pushed ETHUSD above a key trendline, signaling a potential shift towards further upside momentum. However, some analysts remain cautious, suggesting a potential price correction could be in store before a larger rally into 2025. This sentiment is fueled by recent large Ethereum transfers by known whale, a movement that has historically preceded price dips. Let's switch over to the daily chart and see what the technicals are telling us. The daily chart paints a slightly different picture. While ETHUSD has been on an upward climb, we can see clear signs of resistance around the $1,600 mark. This level has acted as a ceiling for price action in the past few weeks, and a breakout above it would be a strong bullish signal. On the other hand, if we see ETHUSD fail to break through this resistance, a retest of the $1,500 support level is likely. Looking at the last month's price action, we notice a consistent pattern of higher highs and higher lows, suggesting an overall bullish sentiment. However, this upward trajectory has started to show signs of slowing down, indicating that a pullback might be on the horizon. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart and see if we can pinpoint any immediate trends. Now, let's analyze the 1-hour chart for a more granular view of ETHUSD's recent price action. Zooming in on the past 24 hours, we see a series of smaller candles, reflecting a period of consolidation and indecision. The price has been hovering around the $1,580 level, finding support just above the $1,570 mark. There's a noticeable lack of significant bullish or bearish momentum in this time frame, suggesting that the market is currently trying to find its next direction. However, there are some key indicators to watch for. If the price manages to break above the $1,580 resistance level with strong volume, a short-term bullish trend could develop. Conversely, if we see a decline below the $1,570 support, a short-term bearish trend might emerge. Now, let's switch back to the daily chart and discuss some long-term considerations. Looking back at the daily chart, we can identify some key price levels that might play a role in ETHUSD's long-term performance. The $1,500 level has proven to be a significant support level, offering a solid foundation for the price to bounce back from. Conversely, the $1,700 level acts as a strong resistance level, presenting a barrier to further upside potential. The break above this resistance would be a major bullish event, potentially paving the way for a larger rally in the coming months. However, if ETHUSD falls below the $1,500 support level, it could indicate a weakening of the bullish sentiment and potentially lead to a larger correction. Furthermore, we can see that the MACD indicator is currently in a bullish crossover, suggesting an upward trend. However, the RSI is hovering near the overbought territory, indicating potential for a short-term pullback. Let's move to the 15-minute chart and explore some very short-term trading opportunities. Now, let's dive into the 15-minute chart to get a clear understanding of the very short-term price action. Focusing on the past few hours, we observe a series of small candles, indicating a period of consolidation. The price is currently trading just below the $2,580 level, which has been acting as a resistance. If the price manages to break above this resistance level with strong volume, a short-term bullish trend could emerge, creating an opportunity for traders to enter a long position. However, if we see a decline below the $2,570 support, a short-term bearish trend might develop, signaling a potential short opportunity. The stochastic oscillator is currently in the overbought territory, indicating potential for a short-term pullback. It's crucial to remain vigilant and monitor the price action closely, looking for signals of a change in trend. Remember, every trading decision should be made based on thorough analysis and your own risk tolerance. Now, let's recap the key price levels and potential predictions. To summarize our analysis, here are the key price levels to keep an eye on. On the daily chart, we have identified $1,500 as a strong support level and $1,600 as a resistance level. Breaking above the $1,600 resistance would be a significant bullish event. While the $1,500 support level is crucial for holding on to the bullish sentiment, falling below it could signal a major bearish turn. On the hourly chart, $1,580 acts as a resistance level and $1,570 as a support level. A break above $1,580 with strong volume could indicate a short-term bullish trend. Falling below the $1,570 support could lead to a short-term bearish trend. Finally, on the 15-minute chart, $2,580 acts as a resistance and $2,570 as a support level. A break above the $2,580 resistance would create a short-term bullish opportunity. Falling below $2,570 could trigger a short-term bearish trend. In terms of predictions, it's important to note that the crypto market is inherently volatile and subject to various factors. Based on the current news and technical analysis, we believe that ETHUSD has a moderate chance of breaking above the $1,600 resistance level in the short term, driven by the recent bullish sentiment and news. However, a potential price correction cannot be ruled out, and the $1,500 support level would need to hold to sustain the bullish momentum. It's essential to monitor the volume and other technical indicators closely to gain a better understanding of the market's direction. Keep an eye out for any changes in the news or events that could significantly affect ETHUSD's price action. Remember, this analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any trading decisions.